viewers, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how the market has reacted on the 11th of Feb, as well as what it's going to do on the 12th of February 2021. We are going to discuss some very critical information here, and that would actually help you make your trading decisions tomorrow. Now, before we proceed with this, I would want you to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and join our free Telegram group for more information about live trading and how we make profits. So today, I just wanted to tell you the entire market was range bound. Now, of course, there has been a huge volatility between 400 to 300 points, but Banknifty is not a particular index. It actually is the Indian version of Bitcoin. So it goes crazy whenever there is a breakout and whatever happens here. But the most important critical information that I want you to look at here is at this zone. Okay, so let me just quickly change this to a 1 minute candle. Today, when we were doing a live trade, Bank Nifty almost at 3 o'clock was on the verge of breaking the zone and going towards 35,000. That didn't happen because option sellers were in command, and then they pulled back the prices on the top and then ensured it was sideways, and they ended the day. So what does that mean? They want to keep the price consolidating even much more in this particular zone, and then there is going to be a breakout that would easily give a 500-point movement at a single direction. So this trend line that I've drawn here is very, very important, and the levels that you need to be careful on the upside is that as soon as the index goes towards 36,000, and if it starts consolidating at this range, then it is going to go to 36,400. So this 300 points are going to be easy. If over here tomorrow it then consolidates here and breaks down, this would just be a single move that it is going to make at the bottom. All right, so please keep a watch on these critical levels. That would be 36,000 and 35,500. I've been talking to you about this levels from literally past 4 days, and these are going to be our critical levels going forward for tomorrow as well. Now, the other thing on a daily perspective I want to tell you is, let me just quickly hide the drawings and come to the daily chart and tell you how the market is behaving on the top. It is slowly moving itself towards the bottom. What does that mean? It's very simple. Let me just quickly show it to you. Over here, there is a particular trend line that has been formed, but it is a bit sloppy. Okay, so there is a huge, it's too acute for us to understand whether this would be the right place to go ahead with. But remember that it clearly resembles to the fact that this is the high and it needs to be taken out. So 36,600 to 36,500, the range over there, that 100 points is going to be very, very critical. So if this is the consolidation period, it needs to consolidate over here and go. But the direction of the index is completely towards the downside. Remember, if we break 35,500 here, we are going to go south very fast. And we are having huge levels at the bottom that we can actually retest. All right. So normally the way how index works is that it consolidates on the top, creates a volatility, then breaks down, or creates a volatility and breaks up. And whichever the move is, you can easily keep a similar target of the one that actually happened over here at the previous round. Okay, so there are huge targets that are going to open up here in Bank Nifty, but I want you guys to be very, very careful while you're trading this. Let this week get over, guys. This week has been terrible for a lot of options buyers. Okay, so Bank Nifty option buyers are having a very terrible week because of this extreme volatility that the index is showing here. Okay, so I want to tell you that it slowly is calming itself down. If you just go ahead and see, it is now making that particular range that it is about to be breaking out on some direction, and that direction is going to be easy. If you want to be the one to capture that direction, please visit www.rltrgroup.com. Start now and join our live trading sessions, and we will be more than happy to go ahead and assist you with that and make profits like the way how we do. So with this, I thank you so much for your time today. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead, and please do share your love with your loved ones. I'll see you tomorrow. Jai Hind with another video. See you guys. Bye-bye.